Hello students, today we are going to see 12th standard business maths chapter 4, that is exercise 4.5, 9th question. D squared plus D minus 6 into y is equal to e power 3x plus e power minus 2x. So what is the auxiliary equation for this? That is m squared plus m and minus 6 is equal to 0. And what is the factorization for this? That is m minus 3. So m plus 3 into m minus 2 is equal to 0. Then only 3 2s are minus 6 minus 2. See here plus 3 in minus 2 plus 1. So m is equal to minus 3 comma 2 is the factors. So alpha and beta are the roots are m is equal to minus 3 comma 2. So what is the complementary function? The complementary function is a e power minus 3x plus b e power 2x. This is the complementary function. And next we have to find out particular integral. There are two terms are here. So we have to take particular integral 1. That is equal to 1 by I of d into f1 of x. That is first term f1 of x. So that is equal to 1 by d square plus b minus 6 into e power 3x. So instead of d you have to substitute 3. So what is the answer here? That is equal to particular integral 1 is equal to here d square 1 by 3 squared plus 3 minus 6 into e power 3x. So that is equal to 3 1 by 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 3 minus 6 and e power 3x. So that is equal to 12, 9 plus 3 12, 12 minus 6 6. So what is the answer? E power 3x divided by 6. So e power 3x divided by 6. This is the particular integral 1. And what is particular integral 2? That is 1 by pi of d into f2 of x. So that is equal to 1 by d squared plus d, that is minus 6 into f2 of x is e power minus 3x. So instead of d you have to substitute minus 3. So what is minus 3 here? Minus 3 the whole square and plus minus 3 and minus 6. Here 9 and minus 9, it comes 0. If it comes 0, we have to the differentiation of this term. So what is the differentiation of this one? X into e power minus 3x and divided by d square differentiate 2d plus 1. So if it comes 0 in the denominator, we have to differentiate that equation. So differentiate that particular integral 2 means particular integral 2 that is equal to, if we differentiate, that is x into e power minus 3x divided by d square means 2d plus 1. Now we have to substitute, instead of d we have to substitute minus 3. So x into e power minus 3x divided by 2 into minus 3 plus 1. So that is equal to x into e power minus 3x divided by minus 6, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 minus 6 plus 1 minus 5. So particular integral 2 is equal to x e power minus 3x divided by minus 5. So what is the general solution? The general solution is y is equal to cf plus particular integral 1 plus particular integral 2. This is the general solution. Now we have to substitute in this equation. Therefore, y is equal to, what is already we found out the complementary function, that is a e power, that is two factors we already found out, that is minus 3 and 2. So a e power minus 3x plus b e power 2x plus particular integral 1 also we already found out, that is e power 3x divided by 6, e power 3x divided by 6 and plus here what is the, here minus is there, so put minus, so minus x e power minus 3x divided by 5. This is the general solution of this equation. The next question, 10th one is d squared minus 10t plus 25 into y is equal to 4 e power 5x plus 5. What is the actual equation? M squared minus 10m plus 25 is equal m minus 5 is equal to 0. So m is equal to 5 comma 5 in the roots of the equation. So what is CF? CF is equal to complementary function is equal to ax plus b. Complementary function is equal to ax plus b into e power alpha x, that is e power 5x. Ax plus b into e power 5x. So this is the complementary function. And what is the next step? Particular integral 1. So particular integral 1 is equal to 1 by pi of d into f of x, that is f1 of x. So that is equal to 1 by pi of d means t square minus 10d plus 25 into 4 e power 5x. So what is in the coefficient? 5. So substitute in this equation 5, we will get 5 squared, that is 25 minus 10 into 5, 50 plus 25. So that is equal to 0. If it is the denominator is 0 means you have to differentiate this equation. What is the differentiation of this? That is equal to x 4 e power 5x divided by and 2d minus 10. So 2d minus 10. Now we have to substitute instead of d, substitute 5. 2 into 5, 10. 10 minus 10, 0 only. So that is also 0. So the denominator 0 means again you have to differentiate. Again you have to differentiate means x into x. X into x 4 e power 5x divided by, again we have to differentiate this one 2 only. So that is equal to x square 4 e power 5x divided by 2. So this is the particular integral, that is 2 2s are 4, cancel means 2x squared e power 2x squared e power 5x is the answer for the particular integral 1. So particular integral 1 is equal to 2x squared e power 5x. And what is the particular integral 2? That is, we have only 5 is there. So you have to let us assume that is e power 0x. E power 0x means that is 1. So you have to take as 0x. So 1 by pi of d into f2 of x. That f2 of x should be considered as 5 into e power. So 1 by d squared minus 10d plus 25 into, that is 5 into e power 0x. So instead of d you have to substitute 0. Here 0, here 0, only 25 is there. So what is the answer for this question? Particular integral 2 is equal to 5 e power 0x divided by 25. Therefore, particular integral 2 is equal to 5 into e power 0x 1 only. So 5 divided by 25. So 1 5. So that is equal to 1 by 5 is the particular integral 2. So what is the general solution? General solution is y is equal to CF plus particular integral 1 plus particular integral 2. So that is equal to, what is CF already we found out, that is ax plus b into e power 5 is there, alpha is 5. So e power 5x plus what is particular integral 1 already we found out, 2x squared into e power 5x, that is plus, that is particular integral 2. This is the answer for the question. Next question, 12th question is 3d squared plus d minus 14 into y is equal to 30 e power 2x. So the answer equation is 3m squared plus 3 minus 14 is equal to 0. And here 3m minus 14 is equal to 0. So 3 into 14 we will get minus 52. That is minus 52 split into 2 ways, that is 14 into 3, 4 3s are 12, 42 minus 42 split into 2 ways, that is 42 is 6 7s are 42, 6 7s are 42, this is minus and this is plus, and divided by 3 and divided by 3, 3 2s are. So m plus b minus 14 into 13 e power 2x. So instead of x, b substitute 2 means 2 squared, 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 minus 14, 0. So differentiate this equation, we will get that is particular integral is equal to x into 13 e power 2x divided by 6d plus 1, 6d plus 1. So that is equal to, instead of d substitute 2, we will get 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 13. So x into 13 into e power 2x divided by 13, 13, 13 cancel. So particular integral is equal to x e power 2x. So what is the formula for the general solution? The general solution is y is equal to CF plus PI. So y is equal to CF plus particular integral. Complementary function, what is the complementary function here? A e power minus 7 by 3x plus b e power 2x plus x e power 2x is the answer. Okay students, thank you for listening. We will see the next exercise in the next class. Thank you.